My dear friends, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Girish, thank you. Right. My dear friends, let me introduce first. My name is M.C.P. Saheb. I can teach the subjects C language very well, C++, data structures, Java, Python, Advanced Java, and Advanced Python. These subjects I can teach you very well, right? My experience. I have 22 plus years of teaching experience. Years of teaching experience. The class duration is 45 days. The class will be from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, I will be in journey. That's why I cannot take class on Saturday. Sunday, as usual, holiday, right? Monday to Friday only, I will take the class. Batch start date 11/07/2023. Now, it is about the introduction. My dear friends, you are here to learn the programming language C. Today I am going to explain you the history of C language. Right. To communicate with computer, we need a language that is called computer language. At the beginning, the computer language is called machine language. Machine language. It is also called as low-level language. Low-level language. It is also called as binary language. Why it is called binary language means it comprises with 0 and 1. It comprises with 0 and 1. Right. Actually, when you write anything into zeros and ones, it is hard to understand. Suppose we don't have class on Saturday. I want to represent in machine language 10, 100, 110, 10, 111, 01, 01, 01, 1100, 1100. So it is very hard to understand. That's why these low-level languages are not getting popularity. At that stage, high-level languages were introduced. High-level languages. High-level languages means in these languages we can write the programs or we can write the code by using simple English words. By using simple English words, you can write the code. Those are called high-level languages. There is a popular high-level programming language that is called BCPL. What is that? BCPL. BCPL means Basic Combined Programming Language. Basic Combined Programming Language. Actually, it was developed by Martin Richard. Martin Richard. He is the developer. But a programming language cannot be developed by a single person. There may be a team. In that team, there is one more person. His name is Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson. At the time of development of this one, BCPL, they are using one operating system that is called DOS. DOS means it is a single user operating system. Single user operating system. What is the meaning of single user operating system? Means it will give support to only one user at a time. It will give support to one user at a time. At that time, they feel that instead of using single user operating system, better to develop a multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. So they want to develop this operating system by using the language BCPL. After writing some code, they came to understand that BCPL is not a good programming language to develop multi-user operating system. Then they developed a new programming language. It is called B. So from BCPL, a new language was developed. It is called B. It was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson is the developer. Ken Thompson is the developer of B language. So for what they developed B language? To develop a multi-user operating system, no? By using B language, they successfully developed one multi-user operating system and it is called as Multics. Now we are listening some names, Unix, Linux. So it is the first multi-user operating system. Multics is the first multi-user operating system. Right, good. So their motto was successful. They want to develop a multi-user operating system. By using B, they successfully developed that. But actually, BCPL and B, these two are typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are typeless programming languages. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless means there are no data types. What is the meaning of data types? Whenever you go to cool drink shop, there will be a lot of cool drinks. Thumbs Up, Pepsi, Maaza, Coca-Cola. Whenever you go to a sweet shop, there will be a lot of sweets. Jangri, Laddu, other than, right? In the same manner, there should be some types in data. But in BCPL and B, there are no data types. It doesn't support any data type. Then they developed one more programming language with the support of data types. That is called C. So from B, a new language was developed and it is called C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie is the developer. Dennis Ritchie. In 1972, at Bell Laboratory on Unix machine. On Unix machine, it was developed. So there is a comment, please, sir, your voice is not coming. Induri. My dear friends, am I not audible?
You are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. Induri, I am audible, somebody are saying. But check your mic once again. Induri Sai Nikhil Reddy. Do one thing, Induri Sai Nikhil Reddy. Leave from the class and rejoin. Okay, thank you so much. Right. So it is about the C language. Now actually C is a typed programming language, means it supports data types. C is a typed programming language, means it supports data types. So it is about the history of C language. First of all, there is one basic, very popular high-level programming language that is called BCPL. It means Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. He is the developer of BCPL. From BCPL, a new language was developed that is called B. For what purpose? To develop a multi-user operating system. By using this B, they successfully developed a multi-user operating system that is called Multics. The language B was developed by Ken Thompson. He is the developer. Actually, this BCPL and B, these two are doesn't support a data type. So these two are typeless programming languages. From language B, a new programming language was developed and it is called C. It was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie on a computer which is having Unix operating system. Why they developed C? Why? Because BCPL and B, these two are typeless. These two doesn't support data types. So with the introduction of data types, they developed C language. So C is a typed programming language. My dear friends, first 5 days are demo classes. Okay, from 6th day onwards, you have to pay the fee and you have to enter into the class. In 6th class, I will create a WhatsApp group. I will send this material to you. Up to that, you need to note it down. First 5 days, you need to write down the material. From 6th day onwards, we need not to write down on the class, right? I will send every day this material to your WhatsApp group, right? I will create a WhatsApp group for us. Then I will share the material through that WhatsApp group every day, right? Note down this, my dear friends. Note it down. Bhavani, is this history clear to you? Devanshika?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. After completion of writing, please tell me. I will go to the next topic. Completion of writing, ping a message.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Ma, ask me.
After the 6th day, the syllabus is continue or begin again fresh, sir?
Anna, syllabus will be continued.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. It is
Okay.
also in the part of civil. 5 days also in the part of civil, in the part of syllabus.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Why? Because 5 days means it is a lot of valuable time, no? Right? Repeated means it will be some boring from some students. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Venkateswara Rao. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Devanshika. Thank you. Right, Girish Reddy completed, sir. Okay, right. Now I am going to explain you how to write a sample C program. First of all, how to write sample C program like this. See, to write a sample C program, we have to open a editor. Editor means a place where we can write the program. Now I am going to write a program by using a software Google Code Blocks. Code Blocks. I am opening this. I am going to write the program using Code Blocks software. Or you can use Turbo C++ IDE. Turbo C++ IDE. This one also. Turbo C++ IDE. Any editor you can use. No problem at all. Okay. I have this software. That's it. My system is having this software. You can use any editor. No problem at all. Right. If you don't have any editor, then you can write program in online also. For that, go to Google. Google.com. Type here Jdoodle. Jdoodle. Press enter. Jdoodle.com. Open that. Here there are so many programming compilers. C compiler, C++ compiler, C# compiler, COBOL, Groovy, Java compiler, Python compiler. So we require C compiler. So click on this. See this. Here you have to type the program. After that you have to press execute. Then here you can see the result. Here also you can write the program, right? So I am going to write in code blocks. First of all, you need to take a new file, new empty file. In every program, you have to write program like this: hash, include, less than, stdio.h, greater than. Then void main. Here you have to write the code. Code means processing statements. In all the programs, you have to write this. What is the meaning of this? This line is called as include statement. It is called include statement. It is also called as preprocessor directive. It has two names. Preprocessor directive or include statement. Right. It is called main method. It is called main method. Main method, or sometimes we can call them as main function also. Main function. It is called the solution. It is also called as processing statements or solution. Now, why we need to write this? What is the use of writing this? Why we have to write this? It is very, very important. Suppose I want to construct a house. Then I need some bricks, cement, iron, concrete. I will bring all these things from shops, different shops. Iron shop will be there, cement shop will be there, bricks shop will be there. I will go there and bring them, and I will construct a home. In the same manner, now you are going to build a program. You are going to build an application. To build this program or to build this application, you require so many tools. These tools are already developed and kept in this file. stdio.h is a file which contains tools. By using these tools, we can build the application. So before going to use these tools, we have to include into our program. So before going to use the tools, we have to include into our program by using #include command. This command copy the total data from stdio.h into your program. Clear? To build our applications, we need so many tools. Those tools are already developed and kept in this file stdio.h. We need to copy the tools from this file to into your program. By using #include, you can copy that. So it is very, very important. So in any C program, we will have three types of statements. Three types of statements. One is include statements. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. Now, what is include statement? Include statement is nothing but we have to write this statement on top of the program. So it is called the first statement in any program. It is the first statement. So it is the first statement in any C program. In any program, you have to write #include stdio.h at the top of the program. This is always begins with this symbol. It is called a hash. So it always begins with hash. Hash means this is called hash. Hash symbol. What is the use of this? It is used to copy the tools of stdio.h. stdio.h. It is a file. It is used to copy the tools of this file into your program. It is also called as one more name it has. Also called as preprocessor directive. before going to know the meaning of this one, you have to understand one thing. First of all, we have to write the program. Suppose I want to print something. So to print something, we have to write printf. Printf means it is used to print something on screen. I want to print India. Right. After writing the program, you have to save it. Save. Wait a minute. It is taking some time. Right. My name is first program.c. First.c. Now actually it is in English. Am I right? Computer cannot understand English. Computer can understand zeros and ones. Then what to do? We need to convert this English into zeros and ones. That process is called as compilation. Compilation means it is a process of converting the source code into machine understandable code. It is a process of converting the source code into machine understandable code. After compilation, your program will be converted into machine understandable. Then your program will be run. So running the program means it is two-step process. First step is compilation. Second step is running. This line will be executed before the running, means compilation, at the time of compilation. So it is called preprocessor. It is called preprocessor means it will be executed before the running, means it will be executed at the time of compilation. So it will be executed. Which one will be executed? Only this line. The first line will be executed at the time of compilation. Remaining program will be executed at the time of running. So it will be executed at compile time. So it is called preprocessor. Preprocessor. Oh. It is called directive. Why? Because it gives direction to compiler. Who is the compiler? A software which will do the compilation. That software is called as compiler. So it will give direction. It will give direction to compiler. So it is called directive. It is called directive. So in every program, we have to write this hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. It is compulsory. Now, what is main method? Main method or main function or main function. Right. Suppose in your application, you can write some thousands of lines, lakhs of lines. From those lakhs of lines of code, first you need to start execution at certain point. Am I right? That point is called as main method. Your program always start execution from main. So it is called first executable statement. What is the main? Main is the first executable statement. It is first executable statement. Your program always start execution from main method. Right. Second one, it is very, very important. So it is core. Core means very, very important. It is very, very important. So can I write main methods 2 times or 3 times? No, not possible. So the main method should not be duplicated. You have to write only one main method. So it cannot be duplicated. You cannot write main method duplicate times. Multiple times you cannot write. You have to write only one time. So your program always start execution from main method, right? It is the first executable statement. It is very, very important. So we cannot write multiple main methods. So we have to write the code. We have to write this code. We have to define this code. So it is called user defined method. It is a user defined. Why? Because the code inside these two curly brackets we need to define. So it is user defined function. It is user defined function. So we can write main function in 6 models. It has 6 models. 6 models. First model is you can write main like this, main. It's okay, no problem. You won't get any error. Or you can write int main. It is also you can use. Or you can write void main. It is also you can use. Or you can write main of void. It is also valid. Integer main of void. It is also possible. Void main of void. It is also possible. It has 6 models. You can use this one. You can use this one. You can use this one. Now I am using third one. I am using void main. Void main is the third model. So you can use any model of these 6 models. So this is about the main method. Now what is this? Processing statement means it is the solution. What is that? Processing statements means it is the solution. Solution means it will tell you 3 things. So it describe means tell you. It describe 3 things. One is what to do. Second one is when to do. Third one is how to do. In order to solve a problem, what you have to do, when you have to do, how you have to do. So these 3 things will be explained by processing statements. It is nothing but the solution for the program, right? These 3 types of statements you will have in all the programs. In all the programs you will have. Right. My dear friends, note on this. My dear friends, can I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Venkatesh. My dear friends, if you complete writing, then you can leave from the class, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave from the class. Why? Because today's class is completed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Devanshika. Girish Reddy. Writing completed.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Bhavani, is today's class clear to you?
Complete, sir.
Today's class clear to you, Chandra? Today's class clear to you? Thank you. Thank you so much.